Good morning, you lot. Eh? How you lot doing? Eh? Hello. Do you like this new tree thing I made you? Eh? Is it better than that other one? It's quite good, isn't it? It's a proper, real tree trunk and not, manufactured wood. Look at it. Got it all the way down here. And you got a little hook on the bottom for other stuff, haven't you? That's good, isn't it? You like it when it spins round though, don't you? Yeah. Which way do you want to go? Should we go this way? Whee! You like it the most when it spins, don't you, Ozzy? Yeah. Jasper was sitting on it when it was going pretty fast yesterday. Do you want a bit of a spin this morning? Yeah? Should we get going? Which way do you want to go? Which way do you want to go? Give us a clue. There we go. Whee! Whoa, do you like that? You want to go a little bit faster? Eh? What about you? Billy. What about you? What about you, Ozzy? Do you want to go faster? Eh? What about you, Jasper? Do you like to go faster? Whee! Oh, is that good? Are you funny? Bob likes a new game I've been playing with her called Frog Hopper, where we do sort of the movements where she's on my finger. Oh, where you all are going? You're all gonna left me. Oh well. Yeah, and she bounces about up and down like on the Frog Hopper at Hull Fair.